Hi everyone, and welcome back to this new lesson. I hope you are doing great. So today's lesson will be about morning routines. So the things or the routines that we do every day. Let's start. So the first few routines are the things or the activities that we do every day. For example, if we take the first one and look at this picture, so as you see, the girl is washing her face. For example, when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you gonna do or you are going to do is to wash your face. So here it's like I'm talking about myself. I say I wash my face. I wash my face. Okay, so sorry, what are the things that you need to wash your face? So the first thing you need is a soap and water, of course. So you need two necessary things, soap and water. So repeat, I wash my face. And the things that you need are soap and water. Next one, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. As you see here in the picture, the girl is brushing her teeth. So here I'm talking about myself. I brush my teeth. If I want to talk about this girl, I say she brushes her teeth. She brushes her teeth. So if you want to brush your teeth, you need two things, just two things. The first one, a toothbrush, and the second one, a toothpaste. So toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay. Next, I comb my hair. I comb, as you see, the B is silent. Okay, we don't pronounce it. I comb my hair, as you see here in the picture. So what do I need to comb my hair? So of course I need a comb. I need a comb. And I can also need a hair dryer if my hair is wet and I want to dry it, I can use it. So one, I take a shower. As you can see here in this picture, the man is taking a shower, and of course if you need to take a shower, you need a shampoo and bathtub. Bathtub is not necessary because there are some bathrooms in which there is a bathtub and some bathrooms in which there isn't. So it's not necessary, but water of course is necessary. So here, this is the end of this routines. We are going to move to the practice to see did you get this lesson or not. So here we are going to start with the first one, and they will show you the picture and you are going to choose the correct answer. So as you see here the picture, and this is number one. So is it I take a shower, or I brush my teeth, or I wash my face? So of course your answer is correct. It's I brush my teeth. Let's move to the second one. Of course, you are going to choose the correct answer. Look at the picture. Number 1, I comb my hair, I brush my teeth, or I take a shower. Of course, your answer is correct. I take a shower. Let's move to the last one. So which one is correct? Look at the picture. Is it I comb my hair, or I wash my face, or I brush my teeth? So of course the first one is correct. I comb my hair. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe too. Thank you and goodbye.